And welcome to SN Technologies. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to install the requirement.txt file module list using command prompt. So here I have requirements.txt file and it has all the modules required for this software in order to run. So click here and write cmd. You will get your command prompt. Now write pip install minus or requirements.txt. You have to write this command in order to install requirements.txt. Hit enter. So the module installation is started and I will get all the modules required for this software to be run, and this will not show me any error. And that's all for today. Do like and subscribe to my channel.